Alright, so starting with the simplest instrument, whenever you have to practice trauma, so this is one of the skull mandibles. Of course, it's not real because nowadays it's not easy to get real skull mandibles. This is from the postgraduate times, okay, when I had done my PG. So this is the skull mandible which we use for our preclinical exercises, and this is the real mandible that I have somehow from my PG UG times. So you always do the preclinical exercise on a model, okay, and only after that, after you've understood where, how, when to put an arch bar, when to put a plate, that is when you really start doing cases on the patient. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहली चीज जो हमें चाहिए होती है टू ट्रीट एनी केस ऑफ ट्रॉमा इज दी 24 gauge wire. ठीक है, ये एक पूरा स्पूल आता है. somehow my spool is got over, so one full spool of wire is there which you have to stretch. Okay, you have to use 2 wire holders. So this is the wire holder which I have. इसमें serrations होते हैं आगे. You can use an artery forceps, but artery forceps खराब हो जाएगी, वो इतनी strong नहीं होगी जितना कि ये wire holder है. Okay, it's like a very very sturdy needle holder, and it also has a catch here. So it's a very very useful instrument. I have 2 of these types. So one person uses it from left, one person on the right, and we stretch this wire to around 6 to 7% elongation. और stretch करने के बाद we cut these wires into small pieces using this wire cutter. Okay, so this is a wire cutter. It has a clamp here, and you can put your wire like this, and you can use it to cut your wire, just like an orthodontic wire cutter. This is also 24 gauge wire cutter which I use in my maxillofacial surgeries. So the length of this wire is usually the length of a palm. Average इतना आपको wire cut करके ready रखना है. Okay, so this is the wires. These are the wire holders, wire cutter. The next instrument is your arch bar. Okay, so ये भी एक full loop की तरह आता है. So this is a simple arch bar. You can see that it has hooks. Okay, so when we are applying the arch bar on the maxillary teeth like this, so the hooks will be facing upward. Okay, when I'm putting it on my mandible like this, the hooks will be facing downwards. Post graduation के time पे very commonly it happens that it takes a lot of time to put the arch bar because you've just started doing it, and you realize that when you're doing your last tooth, when you've really fixed your full arch bar, you realize that you've put it ulta. पूरी की पूरी आर्च बार उल्टी लगा दी है. फिर आप सारे वायर्स कट करते हो, खोलते हो, पेशेंट का एले का इफेक्ट जा चुका होता है, वापस से यू गिव एले एंड देन यू करेक्ट, यू रोटेट योर आर्च बार. सो ऑल दोज हु आर स्टार्टिंग टू डू देयर IMF, please make sure that the direction of the hooks is upwards for maxilla and is downwards for mandible. I mean, I can remember at least 4 or 5 times I have put my arch bar ulta, because we used to do arch bar fixations at the end of the day. Means when you have done all your exodontia, you have assisted your ma'am for any surgical case, you're not even in the OT, for minor OT also we used to go to assist. और उसके बाद थक हार के 2:30-3 बजे ट्रॉमा वाले पेशेंट का नंबर आता था, आपने खाना भी नहीं खाया होता था आधे टाइम, और आप पूरा का पूरा आर्च बार लगा देते हो, फिर आप देखते हो ये तो उल्टा लगा दिया, फिर आप उसे सीधा करते हो. सो प्लीज डोंट मेक दैट मिस्टेक. अनदर थिंग व्हिच आई वांट टू शो यू इज दिस. व्हाट इज दिस? सो आई लाइक टू कॉल इट खंजर. Okay, what is khanjar? Khanjar is like dagger. It's a dagger. So this kind of arch bar is also available in the market. You can see here the wires, the loops are very very sharp and very very big. These big hooks. So when you put these hooks on the patient's maxilla, these hooks really go and impinge into the patient's soft tissues. So please be a little kind to your patients whenever you are purchasing any arch bar, or whenever you are making the patient purchase an arch bar. Please make sure that it's a little nice arch bar. Okay, just take any arch bar which has small hooks, because the purpose of the hooks is not to impinge on the tissues. The purpose of the hooks is to engage these wires. The purpose is ki whatever fixation you are doing, it should fix your wire like this. Okay, or it should fix your elastics, something like this. That is the purpose of your arch bar. It is not to injure. So please don't use a khanjar. Please use an arch bar. Alright? Okay. Apart from that, the basic instruments that we have is this special screw, which is known as an IMF screw. Alright? I will hold it in my needle holder and a wire holder, and I will show you. So this is a simple screw. You can see that this screw is a self-drilling screw which can directly drill on the patient's alveolar bone, whether it's the maxillary bone or mandibular bone. You can directly drill this screw, and this screw has a small hole. If you can see carefully, the head of the screw has a small hole. Okay, what is the purpose of this hole? The purpose of this hole is, if I have to put wire, if I don't want to use my arch bar, I can use this IMF screw. Okay, the purpose is to do IMF. Put 2 screws on the upper jaw, put 2 screws in the lower jaw, use these holes on the screw head, and through these holes you can do your maxillomandibular fixation. So these are 4 or 5 IMF screws which I have. You can autoclave them, you can reuse them in different patients till the time they don't get blunt. Okay, so these are some IMF screws. Now coming to the different retractors, so these are the basic instruments for intermaxillary fixation. Okay, IMF के लिए हमें basically यही चीजें चाहिए होती हैं. You need IMF elastics. So these are a little wider ones. These are some narrower elastics depending on where I'm going to use it. So these are the narrow elastics, these are the wider elastics depending on where and how I'm going to use it. Okay, so arch bar, elastics, wire holder, wire cutter, and IMF screws. So these are the basic things which I need for intermaxillary fixation.